The Kepong Botanical Garden is a part of the Forest Research Institute Malaysia. It is a beautiful garden that is spread over an area of about 80 hectares. Is home to a wide variety of flora and fauna. Is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Kuala Lumpur. Features several walking trails, picnic areas, and scenic spots that are perfect for photography. Is also known for its extensive collection of tropical plants. Including palms, bamboos, ferns, and many other species. The garden also has a lake that is home to various aquatic plants and animals. Si Bintang Hill, also known as Bukit Si Bintang, is a popular hiking spot located in Kepong. It is a favorite destination for outdoor enthusiasts and hikers. Due to its proximity to the city, and the beautiful views it offers. There is a designated entrance near the housing area. The trail is well marked and relatively straightforward. However, it can be steep and challenging in certain sections. The hike typically takes around 1 to 2 hours to reach the summit, depending on your fitness level and pace. It's recommended to start early in the morning to avoid the midday heat. Once you reach the summit, you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of the surrounding areas, including the cityscape of Kuala Lumpur.